Well, hey guys, working on the Corolla again, and we're going to talk about this. About 8.5 years ago, I redid the bushings in here, and to be totally honest with you, I did a really crappy video of that. I'm sorry about that, guys. But there was a lot of cursing going on in the background. Anyway, let's, alright. We're going to go from third into fourth, because that's a real nice long one. So we're going to start at one here all the way in the back. See, we're going to start right here. And then we're going to we're using this mark right here, so about 5.5 inches. Alright, I think we can do better. I think we can do a lot better. There we go. Yeah. Damage much? Just getting off all the old stuff to ensure this is where it comes down to. This is my factory one. This is a short shifter by Techno Toy Tuning. Short shifter means the pivot point. The pivot point for this one is about right here. And the pivot point on this one is higher, which is right here. Take a pen. We got the pivot point down here, like emulating this. If you move at very far distances. Now let's move it up to here. It's shorter. That's the best thing. That's the best way I could explain how a short shifter works. People do it for, quicker shifts. Some people do it for fun. I don't know where I am on this. I just wanted one for a very long time, and damn it, I'm going to put one in. And I'm going to put this one in. As you can see, I bought a new one of these. You can still get these new from Toyota. I would suggest you get them from Japan because it's cheaper. Look at that. Ugh. That's going to look so much better. Aha! One more thing. The T3 piece had a bottom that look just like this one. Made out of, I think it's called Deirdrin, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Well, I replaced it with the Cusco collar. See if I see people either add this collar to the factory one, never really mounting it to a short shifter, so I want to try it out. Okay. Okay. Of course, we have a brand new gasket. Gabe says to use RTV, but I think it's a better idea to just use the factory gasket. Just got to be tight enough where the lock washers can do their job, and that's it. Holy crap. Look, it goes this way. Yeah. Good. How do you fix the boot? That's first. That's second. That's third. Fourth. Fifth. I think that's reverse. Alright, I have to figure out how to fix the boot later. We're going to try this again. Where were we at? It went from the 1 inch all the way to 6.5. So it went from there to there, which is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5 inches of throw. So, okay, that's third. Yeah, that's third. So if we do that again, here we'll set it at the 2 mark. The 2 mark is the beginning, unlike the 1 mark. Well, I guess I can bring this in a little. Here. Okay. Same test. 1 mark to 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it went from 5.5 inch throw to 3. It's going to be very interesting with me shifting this. It is very, very tight. And like I said, that will take some time to work through. But wow. And I still got to figure out how to deal with that. I don't think that boot's supposed to look like that. I might get away from the slinky boot. I might go to something else. We don't know yet. This is 84 Hachi signing off.